BNHarmony, and I'm so happy to be talking to you guys. Hey girl, hey, for those who have already been subscribed and seen my videos, and welcome to those who have just subscribed, or if you have not subscribed, make sure that you go ahead and press that like and subscribe button, okay? Like helps me help you. If you can tell by the title of this video, you know this is about these tresses right here. I went ahead and finally did my Jumbo Senegalese twist. I have been wanting these for a while now, but over here in Germany, well, I did not know there was easier access to get hair, and I tried to do it on Amazon, but it seemed like in the time like this where the virus and stuff is going on, things aren't being shipped over here as frequently as they used to be. So but I did end up finding some place that was able to ship the hair to me within like 2 days, which I was surprised. Yeah, this is what they look like. This is about day 3 so far that I'm recording this intro, and I love them so much. They're nice and jumbo. They're allowing my scalp to breathe. I did not do them tight. I'm able to move them, sleep in them comfortably, and I don't have to feel my hair being pulled out of my scalp. So yeah, so in this video I'm just going to show you exactly how I installed these myself. Please be in mind this is the first time I've ever done a close-up in videos and trying to demonstrate something like this, so just be a little, you know, gentle in the comments. So anyway, without further ado, let's just get started. Alright guys, so I am going to attempt in doing this Jumbo Senegalese twist in my hair. I think they're kind of medium-sized to jumbo. I think I have a little bit over 30 twists in my hair right now. Well, my hair is twisted up. I went ahead and pre-prepped my hair, which means it's already parted, and it's just twisted up like so. I had my friend come and help part, so they're not, you know, they're decent. So yeah, since these are already parted and twisted, it'll kind of make it a little bit easier and take a little less time of me applying the extensions. Yeah, the hair I'm using is the Expression. This is the color 1B and 100% Kenekalon, hot water safe and all that kind of stuff. But not only did I prep my hair last night, I went ahead and prepped and stretched the hair itself last night, so they're already individualized. I just put them in these little clips so that way I can move quickly, because I'm also trying to do this around nap time. Hopefully this doesn't take me no more than 1.5 hours to 2 hours, but this is the first time I'm ever going to be instructing something close, so hopefully you guys are able to see it. I'm going to go ahead and start from the back. I'm going to put the rest up. Alright, so let me see if I can get you guys closer. Alright guys, so the first thing you would need is, of course, your hair, and the Dark and Lovely Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel is what I'm using, as well as a bristle brush. First, I like to comb out my section. Now, this particular video is just me trying to show you the first attempt. I originally were going to do the rubber band method, but as you will see, it did not work out like whatsoever. I split my hair apart, I put the hair in between it, and for some reason, I guess my hair is too thick or the rubber band was too fragile that they just popped. Every single one. So as you can see, I tried on all 3 bottoms and it just was not working out. So we did the regular way. Now I'm going to start off with a new section and drench it with gel. Make sure that I smooth the gel on very nicely. I love this gel so much because it also conditions your hair. You can see the shine that it gives it, and I don't have to worry about my hair breaking. So I brush it through, and then I get my piece of hair. I use my index finger and my thumb to separate the hair. I loop it around my hair with my hair in the middle. As you can see, it makes 3 strands. So all I'm going to do is do a braiding method. I braid about 2 times until my hair reaches back into the middle. Now with my hair in the middle, I split my hair into two evenly so that it can turn into two strands. Just in case y'all were wondering if I was going to leave those ridiculous braids at the bottom of my head. I'm not. I'm going to fix them when I'm done with the rest of them. Okay. Now to complete the twist is quite tricky. You have to twist the strands to one direction. As you can see, when I twist the hair, I'm twisting it to the right, and I twist the other strand to the right as well. Now when you cross over, you want to cross over to the opposite direction, and that will give you the rope effect. Keep gelling to make it smooth. You keep twisting your hair, and then you keep overlapping the two strands. Keep continuing to do this all the way down to the end. Don't worry, I will definitely show you guys again because I know that was a little bit difficult to see. Now as you see me getting to the end of your hair, you want to make sure that you put enough gel so that it kind of smooths in with the extension, and then you want to continue pressing. Make sure you tuck the hair as clean as you possibly can and continue on to the bottom of your hair. Now when you get to the bottom of your hair, you want to make sure that you put a good amount of gel and you take it all the way to the tips. No matter how skinny it gets, take it all the way to the tips. This kind of helps to lock in the twist and helps so it won't unravel so fast until you're ready to dip it. Now here's another piece. I'm hoping that this is a little bit more descriptive. I continue on with my gel, smoothing it in all of my roots. Take my brush and smooth it out. Taking my index and my thumb, grabbing my hair and pulling it through the loop, making in my hair 3 strands. Now do the braiding method. Braid about 2 times until my hair returns back into the middle. Now I would like to mention that if your hair is not as long as mine or as long as maybe an index finger, I would recommend doing the normal braiding method where there's an additional piece that goes along with your hair so that your hair doesn't slip out because it's too short. Now I'm slitting my hair, making it 2 clean sections. Now gelling my hair to make it smooth, you want to twist one strand and then twist this other strand in the same direction. Once those are twisted, you want to overlap the other direction so that way you can get the rope effect. Continue doing that, twisting one direction, roping the opposite direction. Make sure that you are gelling in between, I would say 2 or 3 twists, gel, 2 or 3 twists, and then gel. This helps it to kind of make your hair smooth in with the extensions, and as well keeping the extension smooth and getting the shine that you get from the condition gel as well. Make sure that you want to keep your hair taut so that way it doesn't unravel. Now when you get to something like this where the ends are uneven, you can split what's remaining and then start again. You don't have to start all over, just split and continue twisting. Make sure you do that really tight. The tighter it is, the less you'll be able to notice the little knot that you'll get, and I'll show you. You see the little knot?
the little difference. Yeah, that's what you'll get if you split in the middle of a twist and then continue twisting. But as long as you keep it tight, it really doesn't make a big difference. It's not that bad looking. I continue on twisting all the way down to the end, and it seems like right here I have to split again. See, this is why it's also important before you put the hair in that you have it even on both sides so that you won't run into this problem. You see right there, I have another little knot. Keep it tight. You can barely tell, girl. You can barely tell. Oh girl, now all of the twists are in. I'm just going through my hair and looking at any imperfections, the ones that kind of got loose. I'm just going to go ahead and retwist them, gel it up really good so it doesn't unravel again. Braiding this hair probably took me a few hours, maybe 2 hours consistently without stopping. Now once that's done, I'm just going to take my scissors and cut away any flyaways. Make sure you don't get your hair if your hair is sticking out anywhere. Just getting any flyaways to kind of make it a little bit smooth. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to get the bigger ones out of the way because you are dipping it, and some of that's going to lay down with the hot water and the mousse later. Now I do like my ends to be bone straight, so I just wrap her around a perm rod. I put about 2 on there, and that should be good. Now I use this spritz by L'Oreal and kind of spritz the roots of my hair to kind of get it to stay firm a little bit. Okay, now that I have the perm rods in and my hot water is boiling, I'm just going to dip the ends into the hot water. Now this helps to lock the twist and it becomes a little bit easier and less stiff, but it can actually give it some movement. You put all that gel in and the hair itself is a little stiff, and the hot water just helps to kind of release a little bit, and it helps the curl activate at the ends with the perm rods. Only leave them in for maybe about 20 seconds. It doesn't take that long. Dry it out and you're good to go, girl. Now I'm going to take my perm rods out, and you can see that it gives a little curl at the end. That's all. I just did not want them bone straight. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my foaming wrap lotion. I use Motions. You can use any type of mousse that you decide you want to use, but you want to coat your entire hair in this. This helps with the flyaways to lay down. It helps to give a little hold to the twist. It'll last longer if you do not miss this step. Now the second to last step is I get this little head towel that I normally use when I'm deep conditioning my hair. I put water on it and I put it in a microwave so it kind of creates steam, and I just run it over the top of my hair because you know that part didn't get dipped. I recommend doing this. You can use a towel if you choose. Last but not least, girl, you know we gotta get those edges. Even though it's like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it together and put a wrap on it so that way I don't have to worry about it in the morning. And that's pretty much it. You guys, what do you think of the final results? I think they are beautiful, especially for my first time doing the Jumbo Senegalese. I love how big I did them. I got about 31 twists in my hair, and they are moving. They're not that tight, and I think it's very easy for me to even replenish them later if they get too old. But I do want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Share. Sharing is caring. I love you guys so much. I thank you so much for watching. Press that notification bell if you want to get notified for my next video. Bye.